Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Are you having trouble in opening settings on Samsung phone? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings not opening on Samsung phone. So to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. So first, sometimes when you go to settings here, it will not be open for you. So to fix that problem, you have to click a lot here, as you see, like this. You will double click, then you will find this sign. This sign, as you see, will enter to it. After that, in this page, you will have this window of Force Stop. So you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to storage, and here in this page you will click on clear cache, and then you will click on clear data to fix that problem. So this is the first method. If this method not working for you and settings still not opening, you have to go to files. You will go to your own files here. You can search about it here, or you can go to the app directly of files. For example, if you want to search about it here, you will write files and you will find your files here. So after that, here in this page, you will go to manage storage. So you will click on manage storage here. After that, in this page, you find your manage storage window and you will click on here again. You will go to manage storage. You'll find this window and you click on app cache. So here in this page you will find all apps here. You will click on select items. So you will click on this sign of clear cache of these all apps, as you see, and you will click on clear first here. So when you end with this, you will go back to manage storage. You will find this sign of show more. So you will click on show more here. After that, you will find apps. So you will enter to the window of apps. And after that, here you will find this page. You will search about settings. Here in this page, you will do the same thing for stop. You will click OK, then you will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache and clear data as well. So when this method is not working for you at all, you will go to one UI home and you can enter to it like this, and you will do the same thing here for stop. OK, you will go to storage. You will click on clear cache and then clear data in this window. And after all these steps, you have to restart your phone. You have to turn on your phone and you will restart or turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.